Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our booth. This is Lionheart Farms booth here in Obra, Mimaropa. So here are our products. Like there are two products here that won the most innovative product of the year for 2 consecutive years. So the first one was this one, which is a tuba beverage. So this is, we call this the power of slow. Slow is made from coconut flower sap. And so this one also, it won an award as well this year. So this is actually the teriyaki sauce, which is also made from the coconut flower sap aminos. So if you can see here, we have 4 variants. Okay, we have this one is the original. This one is the original, and this one is, we call this iced tea because this is a citrus oolong grape, oolong citrus grape. And this one is the calamansi and our refreshing twist. So these two are carbonated drinks. These are the replacement for our regular soda. Yan. So ito naman, this is our coconut flower syrup. This is our sweetener, low glycemic sweetener. And we have the condiments. We have the vinegar, we have the amino original, and the amino slide.
So all are coconut based?
Coconut flower sap based. So all made in Palawan with the people of Palawan, meaning people of Palawan, they are the Palawan, the tribal people. It is for the world to enjoy. So this is already being distributed globally.
Ah,
yeah, so it's something that we could
so you're exporting it
all
already?
Proud of. Yes.
And right now, dito po sa booth, you have some promo.
Yeah, we have promo. We have buy one, take one. We have buy 6 plus 1. We have discounted products that you could really enjoy here in Obra, Mimaropa.
So this is only available only during October 2 to 5?
Yeah, 2 to 5 here. But you can also buy it in our website to avail of the discount.
Okay. Pero hanggang October 5 lang po?
Dito. Yung sa website natin until October 7.
Ah, okay. Nice.
It might even extend, but let's see.
So the website is cocos.ph or cocos.com?
Cocos.com.
Yun. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Pwede po isang shoutout?
Sure.
Sabihin niyo po, on the count of 3, what's up, Pilipinas? Welcome to Cocos. Ganon. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Filipinas? Welcome to Cocos.
You nice. Thank you.